If you are a senior citizen or know someone who is, then this video is for you. It is easy exercises that can be done at home, and they will keep you fit and healthy. These exercises are also great for those with knee and back problems. So let's get started. Welcome to our channel. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on any of our videos. The first exercise is seated stretches and leg lifts. This is an excellent exercise for improving flexibility and muscle strength in the lower body. Here's how to do it. Dot upright in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one leg up and away from your body, keeping the knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Hold for a few seconds and then lower it down. Repeat with the other leg. Now try to lift both legs simultaneously, keeping them straight. Hold for a few seconds and then lower them down. Next, sit up straight and extend your arms and legs forward. Try to reach your toes and hold for a few seconds. Turn to the starting position and repeat a couple more times. The next exercise is walking in place or using light resistance bands. This is a great exercise for improving cardiovascular fitness and lower body strength. Here's how to do it. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Engage your core and tighten your abdominal muscles. Now start walking forward, lifting your knees up one at a time. Make sure to take long strides and swing your arms for balance. Do this for a few minutes. If you want to make this exercise more challenging, you can use light resistance bands. To do this, place the band around your legs above the knees and then walk forward. You can also walk backward and sideways while seated. Make sure to keep your feet anchored to the ground and lift your knees up one at a time. Again, make sure to take long strides and swing your arms for balance. The third exercise is breathing exercises for lung health. This exercise is very important because it helps to strengthen your lungs and improve your posture. Here's how to do it. Sit or stand in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Make sure to fill your lungs completely and then exhale slowly through pursed lips. Now try the same thing, but inhale through pursed lips and exhale through your nose. You can also try standing up straight and taking deep breaths while putting your arms out to the sides. Inhale deeply and then raise your arms over your head. Exhale and bring your arms back down. You can also try lying on your side and doing the same thing. Here are some additional tips for making the most out of these exercises. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new workout routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Proper footwear is important for safety and balance. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes that provide good support. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. As your fitness level improves, it's important to listen to your body and take rest when needed. Don't push yourself too hard and avoid any pain or discomfort. Staying hydrated is crucial during and after exercise. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Consider joining a gym or fitness center that offers classes specifically designed for seniors. The guidance of fitness professionals can be invaluable, and group classes provide a sense of community and motivation. And don't forget the importance of having fun and enjoying the process. Exercise should be a positive and rewarding experience. Find activities that you genuinely enjoy and look forward to. If you find these exercises helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. We wish you all the best in your fitness journey. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.